We got a Minnie the Body Shop Girl fan right here in Grand Junction, Colorado. He said he wanted to talk to you, not me.
I know.
He said you're the big boss girl on campus, and I'm just.
I am the boss.
I'm a laborer.
At least, see, everybody knows who the boss is without even having to say it.
Let's go over there and talk to this guy.
Without even having to say it.
I was out there standing on the street, and he stopped in the middle of the road and noticed me.
I noticed you, yeah. Big
Said he was going to run me over if I treat you mean.
Big old brute that you are.
What's up, buddy?
I got to meet my friend Pete. He's in my neighborhood. Wow!
Just
and Minnie.
Happened to be on the right street at the right time.
Meant to be.
And you got, look here, Minnie the Body Shop. Right here. Now, your name's Sammy?
It's fate. It's
Sammy
fate.
Kempton.
My buddy's name's Sammy.
I'm Sammy Salami. Beautiful hat that I got here. It's a beautiful hat. But this ain't never about me. This ain't never about my fucking hat. It's always about something else.
Good.
My buddy's name's Sammy, the guy that edits all these videos.
Does he?
Sammy Salami, straight out of Miami.
Oh my God, son of a bitch, what the hell's going on out there? This is Sammy Salami straight out of Miami, you cocksuckers. I'm the edit guy. I'm the guy that edits all the videos, makes them look like they do. I'm the guy that does all the magical magic to all the videos that are made over here at SWRNC's Southwest Rods and Customs over here in Dallas, Texas.
Something over there we need to look at.
Let's check it out. What do you got, Sammy? What's going on? You dragged me all the way over to your house in the middle of the road here. What's up, bud?
I just simply have a car my dad built when I was 5 years old in 1968.
Oh, cool.
We've had it for 52 years.
Jeez.
And I have asked Pete a couple things, and he helped me out
Did
with
I
some
answer your
advice.
questions?
Yes, you did. I asked you about how to do something, and you responded and told me.
Okay.
Woo,
I
that's
just want
good.
to make sure I'm in good standings over here.
Yeah, you're in really good standings, and I am just shocked. Pete, from my friend Pete and Minnie, you're here. And I wanted to be able to take you to Moab to show you at your place.
Wow.
And
But look what happened, dude. We met
We
you
came
here.
to you.
And I was just standing on the road.
Yeah, this is phenomenal.
You were driving your car down a side road that I happened to be walking through, and you drag raced and said, "Hey, what's going on?" Slammed on your brakes, buddy.
I about crashed.
Yeah, what do we got here, Sammy?
Shocked. You have a prototype tub buggy that my dad started building out of parts in 1968.
A 1968 tub buggy. That's what this is called.
Yes.
Wow, look at this thing. And this is made out of a what year Volkswagen is this made out of, Sammy?
This is out of a 68 auto stick that was shortened 14.
Oh, this was an automatic shift Volkswagen.
Yes, and
Wow.
and they shortened the pan.
And when did he start building this, Sammy?
He started in 1968.
Uh-huh.
It got road legal in 1974.
Wow.
My mom used to take me to elementary school
In it.
and I hung on to that roll bar for dear life because she either smoked the tires or killed it.
Jeez. Look at that thing. Look at that. It's got a brand new transmission, Manny. Look how clean the transmission. Did you do all this work, Sammy?
Yes, sir.
No way.
I did all of it.
Jeez. So this is in memory of your dad.
Who lives across the street.
So your dad's still here.
82 years old.
Wow.
Yes, and I did it because it just has a lot of memories to the family, and he custom built these pieces. This car was originally built in Aspen, Colorado, from parts from the Aspen dump. This was a wrecked convertible that they
Wrecked convertible Volkswagen.
Yes.
And they shortened the pan down and everything and the shifter and all that.
And yes.
Jeez.
And I can show you where 2 trunk mechanics welded it back together.
Did you paint that, Sammy? That's a beautiful paint job.
A gentleman named Ron Whitcomb who lives in 16 Road in Fruita.
Oh, okay.
I went to him and I said, I need you to paint my car.
Now, does this guy paint out of it? He's got a garage next to his house or something?
Yes,
It's a big garage building and he's got his exhaust built in there. I know that guy.
You know, Mr.
I've
Whitcomb,
been there.
he's an ornery old boy, but he told me I haven't
Beautiful,
painted
dude.
this and this kind of metal flake in 25 years.
That's a
and
beautiful
I said,
paint
well,
job. Look
you're
at that.
going to. And he did. But
Wow.
my dad built these pieces.
Now, your dad made those from scratch?
Yes, sir.
And those are the T-tops.
Yes, see this right here?
He made
He
that?
did all of this in 1970.
Wow, look at that, man. He made that frame.
He made that flange.
Looks like he leaded it in or that's aluminum or lead or what is this?
You know what? I'm not sure how he did it.
But he made that frame.
He made it, and he made them so that
And look at this, he made the tops for it.
he made the top
Jeez, I can't believe that, Sammy.
because it was going to be a
Huh?
it was meant to be a gull wing
Oh,
like this.
yeah.
We just haven't finished our hinge yet.
1968, huh?
Yeah, he was
Gosh.
coming up with
You
that.
got wiper arms here. Do the wipers work, Sammy?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Everything,
Everything works.
everything has been redone.
And you did it all.
He helped, of course, but
So we can't go in.
as he says, he's the lead engineer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So we can't get a little angle with your dad, huh?
mechanic,
Whatever.
I can see if he's home.
Well, that's up to you. I mean,
I mean, I'd love for him to be part
that's a
of it.
beautiful car. This is probably one of a kind here, Sammy.
Yes, sir, Pete.
It's
Yeah.
a one of a kind, man. You look at
For
this thing.
sure.
I just brought this motor home. So in Loma, there's a Quonset hut on the highway,
Uh-huh.
and there's Volkswagens
Everywhere.
everywhere. And this man, Blaine Beecher, he just put this together for me.
A dual port job.
It's a
Wow.
1835
Oh, man.
weighted crankshaft, straight cut
Counterweight
gears,
crank.
big valve heads.
Yeah. Wow.
He just put it together.
Now, is this the original engine that was in there?
No.
I think in 68, didn't they have, it was a single port engine. They didn't have dual port.
So this was the original.
That's the original engine.
That's
from
the
that car.
original engine.
Jeez, look at that, man.
And I got
Look
50
at all that slug.
thousandths play in my crank.
Yeah.
So she's done. But the interesting thing is,
That's the original engine
Yes.
that was straight from Germany when the car was
yep,
built.
and it didn't die. The crankshaft.
Blew
Or-
off.
No, the flywheel off of this is on that
Oh, okay.
motor.
Wow. But you'll always keep that, right, Sammy?
Yes.
You got it right, bud. My friend. Shake hands
That's-
with your friend.
God, I'm so honored, man.
There you go, bud.
This blows me away.
Oh, come on, dude.
But yeah, the car originally came with that top.
Look at all the work. Hang on a second, Sammy. Look at all the detailed work this guy's done on these brake systems.
4-wheel brake.
He's got 4-wheel disc brakes. Are you looking at that, Minnie?
I see.
Look at that. That's beautiful. He's even detailed and painted these to match the gold paint on the car.
That's right.
He put stainless steel brake lines on the whole thing.
Yes.
He's got solid transmission motor mounts on it, brand new axle boots, brand new shocks. I mean, this thing's a brand new car, Sammy.
Sir, it is.
Look at this, look how clean that transmission case is.
And the interesting
Wow.
thing is, Pete, underneath here,
Uh-huh.
if you show on the side pod right there,
Okay, hold on. Let me go ahead and get up there. I got to get down there. Where at? Right here,
right
underneath the car.
right here is a pod that was put into these so that
Oh yeah.
it's an extra fuel tank,
Wow.
or it was cut as a door.
Huh.
They cut it right here
Jeez.
and right here and hinged it.
So you're using yours for a fuel tank,
Not right now, they're just there.
but it could be there.
Could be that we
Jeez.
think that's what it was originally.
Look at the bottom of this car. It's beautiful. It's brand new.
And Pete,
Look
it's
at
got a fiberglass fuel tank.
Fiberglass fuel tank. Wow.
It's very dangerous. Yes.
Jeez. And you even got a back seat, bud, if you want to drive in, Sammy.
That's right.
Yeah, bring your dog.
It's quite something.
This is a, so this little kit you got here, this doesn't even have a name, it's just prototype.
Right. I think it was built in Salt Lake City.
Yeah. Look at the front end on this, man. Look how unique that is.
My dad wanted
awesome.
it made after
I've
the.
never
I mean,
seen anything.
Let me
like
ask you this, Sammy. How can you even put a price on something like this? You can't.
You would know.
My
We
thing.
don't even know how much this thing's worth.
Well, my thing is,
Uh-huh.
it's priceless.
There you go. That's what I'm saying.
Sure.
It's part of our
Can
family.
I look at the front end on that? I want to see if you detailed that out, buddy. Let's look at it and see.
Yes.
Okay, let's go ahead. Wow, look at that, Minnie. Even that looks
Oh,
brand
yeah,
spanking.
it's all brand new.
I can't believe this, Sammy. Four-wheel disc brakes, bud.
Yeah. I did that because that's the way my dad taught me.
So you're saying he's a perfectionist.
Yes.
Doesn't matter how long it takes, he's going to get it right.
He's a retired award-winning FAA mechanic inspector.
Oh, wow.
FAA, you're talking airplane action.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you have your own license too?
Yes. I fly drones.
Oh, okay. That's cool. That's cool, Sammy.
So I mean, but the thing is, like, this is the original.
Hold on, I got to get over here, bud.
These are the original.
That's the original 68
Those
tops.
are original.
Look at that, Manny.
That's the original.
That's the original speedometer from the
out of-
1968 buck. That is amazing, dude.
That's cool, man. I love it.
I guess this is removable if you really wanted to.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Take it up.
Memorial Day, 3 years ago.
Uh-huh.
I told my dad it had the original, and you know how most of these Volkswagen tops were up this high?
Yeah.
It was, and I have pictures to
chopped it.
show you. I looked at my dad on Memorial Day and I said, I don't like it, it needs to go down. And he says, well, I'm gonna chop it. So I made the
Wow.
mistake of giving him a tape measure,
Uh-oh.
and I came out right here, and he sectioned it right here.
Uh-huh.
We shrunk it down to where we wanted it to fit, which of course changed it here.
Yeah.
And Mr. Whitcomb in Fruta, we cut it, because my dad says, okay, I taped
You
it.
cut it,
marked
and he refiberglassed
Yeah, he
it.
says, you made me tape it, you cut it. He
Jeez.
handed me the saw, and I cut it, and I took it to Ron, and I said, put it back
Fiberglass it
together.
back together.
And this
Jeez,
is what
that's awesome,
this
Sammy.
is what we ended up with.
That is awesome. Let me ask you a question. Where's your toolbox, bro? I don't see a toolbox in here. I was looking around.
There's two of them.
And you know what? You know what you don't have on that toolbox? You know what you don't have on that toolbox? You don't have Minnie the Body Shop girl sticker package
I need it.
all over your
I'll
toolbox.
take it.
She's embarrassed, just to let you know, Sam. Can you give her a hug on camera? Hold on, I gotta get over here. There you go, right there. You got a nice garage in here. I love this place. Look at this. Look how big it is, Manny.
I know. Very organized and lots
This
of
looks
room.
like your ultimate man cave, Sammy.
No, it don't look like yours.
Well, it's pretty nice in here. I like your layout. We gotta go, bro. Shake a hand, make a friend. All right, you got a beautiful little dune buggy here. Or, what did you call it? A belly buggy?
Tub buggy.
Tub buggy.
buggy.
Okay. Now, this is a beautiful little car, dude.
It's dirty. I'm sorry.
And I'm gonna be honest with you, bud. It's probably one of a kind.
It is because my dad didn't. The Thomas Crown Affair,
Uh-huh.
the movie.
Never heard of it. Go ahead.
Yeah, this car was modeled after that. As I've looked at thousands and thousands of dune
Uh-huh.
buggies, I've seen two that are similar, but when this kit was taken from Palisade, Colorado to Aspen, Colorado in 1968,
Right.
it came, my dad got it with this push bar, the window,
Wow.
the seats, the roll bar, the top, and he took it in the back of a '67 Chevy pickup
Gosh.
to Aspen by his older brother did it for him.
Well, all I can say, dude, is that thing's awesome, buddy.
And
Hey, Sammy, guess what? I'm running low on battery, bud.
Thank you,
I got about 3 minutes left
Thank you,
here.
Pete.
Shake a hand one more time.
Thank
I'm
you,
glad I
sir.
met you, bro.
Thank you
I'm glad I met
so
you.
much.
You made Minnie's day today. She was hollering, bitching, and complaining at me in the car. Guess what? You put a smile on her face. Look. She's not complaining anymore.
About why I was mad at him.
Okay.
Well, that happens, I know. I've watched enough videos that I know when Minnie gets mad, she lets you know.
Yeah. Let's get you that sticker package, dude. You need those on your toolbox,
Thank you
buddy.
so much.
We'll see y'all later, man.
Yes.
Okay. All right, so there you go. Sammy of Grand Junction right here. He said that some people actually call him Sammy Slant. I don't know why, but yeah. Beautiful car that he's got. He made Minnie's day today. Minnie made his day. And it's just an awesome day. This is Pete, my friend Pete, your friend Pete, running in and bumping into people I've never met before. But obviously, at least, they're not cussing me out and flipping me off. Take it easy.